Good morning, student. Welcome back to our English class. Nice to see you again. And I am your English teacher. My name is Teacher Kwan. Welcome back to our English class. Now, students, are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Well done. But before we get started with our wonderful story, we are going to sing and dance together. Do you love to sing and dance with me?
Yes.
Now let's stand up, stand up. We are going to sing and dance together. Let's begin with our first song. This song is called Hello, Hello. So don't forget to set up like this. And then let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Hello,
12.
hello. Can you clap your hands?
1, 2, 3.
Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands? Can you
And
stretch
straight
up
up
high? Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you
You
say
will say
hello?
hello. Good job. Do it again.
Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet?
1, 2, 3.
Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet?
1, 2, 3.
Can you stretch up high? Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you say hello?
Say hello. Good job. One more time.
Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands?
1, 2, 3.
Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet?
1, 2, 3. And then you would say hello like this. Excellent, student. Now let's move to the next song. And this song is called Dance Anywhere You Want. Do you know how to sing and dance with this song?
Yes.
Alright, now let's move it. Dance anywhere you want. Move your hands. Let's dance.
Dance, dance, anywhere you want to.
Let's dance.
Dance, dance, anywhere you want to.
Now dance faster.
Anywhere you want to. Now it's time to stop.
Stop. Good job. And
Jump, jump, jump. Anywhere you want to.
Jump,
jump, jump. Anywhere you want
And
to.
jump faster.
Jump, jump. Anywhere you want to. Now it's time to stop.
Stop. Good job. And move your neck. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Crawl, crawl. Anywhere you want to. Crawl, crawl. Anywhere you want
Now
to.
crawl
Crawl,
faster.
crawl. Anywhere you want to. Now it's time to stop.
Stop! Wonderful students! Alright, now let's move to our entry song. Let's sing and dance together. English, English, ABC. It's time to play. Let's go, 1, 2, 3. Let's play with English. Brown English. Hello kids, sing and dance. It's time to start with kids, brown English. Wow, you are good dancers. And now, welcome back to Blau English class.
Thank you, birds.
Alright, student, and today we are still with our wonderful story of
Thank you, birds.
Thank You Birds. But before we get started with our story, we move to daily routine. Now let's answer the question, student. Teacher have some questions to ask all of you. let's begin with the first question. And this question is, listen carefully, student. The first question is, how are you today? How are you, student? How are you? Can you answer this question? Today, are you sad? Student, are you sad?
No.
Wow, you say no. If you are not sad, or are you angry? Are you angry?
No, teacher.
Oh, you say no again. If you are not sad and you are not angry, or are you sleepy? Are you sleepy?
No, teacher.
If you are not sleepy, what about this one? Are you happy? Are you happy?
Yes.
Great work. Now let's repeat after me. I am happy. Your turn.
I am happy.
Well done. Now let's practice one more time. Students, how are you today?
I am happy.
Wonderful. Alright, now let's move to the next question. And this question is, listen carefully again.
How's the weather?
And now let's repeat this question after me.
How's the weather?
How's the weather? Your turn.
How's the weather?
One more time, please.
How's the weather?
How's the weather? Your turn.
How's the weather?
Excellent. And now, can you answer this question? How's the weather? Tick tock, tick tock. Now let's look at the window. Oh, look at the window. Look at the outside. And then tell me, how's the weather?
It's rainy.
Today it's rainy. Rainy. Is it rainy? Yes or no?
No, teacher.
Good job. No, today is not raining. This one is not correct. Let's find out another answer. What about this one? See?
It's snowy.
And student, what about this one? Today, is it snowy? Is it snowy? Yes or no?
No, teacher. It's not snowy.
Good on you. No, today is not snowy. Let's find out another one. And what about this one?
It's windy.
And what about this one, student? Today, is it windy? Is it windy? Yes or no?
No.
Good job. Today is not windy. So, how's the weather? And what about this one?
It's sunny.
Today, is it sunny? Is it sunny today?
Yes, teacher.
Oh, you say yes. Are you sure?
Yes.
Well done. Today is sunny. This one is the correct one. Now, let's listen carefully and then repeat this sentence.
It's sunny.
It's sunny. Your turn.
It's sunny.
Excellent. One more time, please. And this time, when you say it's sunny, you have to act like this. It's sunny. Alright, let's do it again one more time.
It's sunny.
It's sunny. Your turn.
It's sunny.
Well done. Today it's sunny. Now, let's move to the next question. And this question is, listen carefully again.
What day is it today?
Repeat after me. What day is this today? Your turn.
What day is it today?
Great work. Now back to you, student. Answer this question. What day is this today? Tick tock, tick tock.
Today is Monday.
Today is Monday. Is this correct? It would be yes or no.
No.
Well done. No, this one is not correct. Today is not Monday. Let's find out another answer. What about this one?
Today is Thursday.
Today is Thursday, is it? It would be yes or no.
No teacher
No again. Good job. Today is not Thursday. Let's find out another one. What about this one?
Today is Saturday.
Today is Saturday. Is this correct? It would be yes or no.
Yes teacher
Yes? Are you sure?
Yes
Alright, if you say yes, good job. This one is the correct one. Today is Saturday. Now listen carefully and then repeat it.
Today is Saturday.
Today is Saturday. Your turn.
Today is Saturday
One more time and louder, please. Now teacher cannot hear you.
Today is Saturday.
Today is Saturday. Your turn.
Today is Saturday
Excellent. Alright, student. And that teacher told you. Today we are still with the wonderful story of Thank You Birds. And today we are going to watch our story from the story box. And then we are going to practice how to read our story. Form part of reading. Now, are you ready?
Yes I am
Good job. Let's move to storybook. Don't forget to pay attention with our story.
Storybox.
Thank you, birds.
Birds. Oh, look at him.
I'm hungry, Dad. What do we have?
We have one orange, but that's for Mom.
Oh, student, can you remember? This little boy, he getting hungry and he asks to his dad, "Oh, Dad, I'm hungry. What do we have?" And then his dad, he told he has just only one orange, but there's one orange for his mom. Poor little boy. And one day, look.
Dad, look.
Stop! Stop!
Oh, the
Go
birds
away!
have stolen their fruits.
That orange is for Mom.
Oh, they look so sad.
Oh, poor boy. Let's help him. Oh, I have an idea.
Oh, the birds heard about that. And then they are going to help them. Look.
Stop.
Oh, stop.
Stop! Stop! Go away!
What are they, Dad?
And then the next day in the morning, they are waking up together. And then the little boy, he asks to his dad, "Look at the window. What are they, Dad?" In the outside. What are they? Can you remember, student? What are they?
Orange
Orange. Maybe. Now let's check it out together. Oh,
They are oranges. It's an orange tree.
look. Oh, this one is oranges. They are oranges. It's a big orange.
What are they, Dad?
And the next one, student, the back one. What are they? This little boy, he asks to his dad again. What are they? Can you remember, student? What are they? The back one.
Apples
Apples. Maybe. Now let's find out together. Oh, see. It's apples.
Wow! They are apples!
Oh, they
It's
are
a
apples.
big apple tree.
It's a big apple tree.
What are they, Dad?
Oops, and what about this one? This little boy, he asks to his dad again.
These are bananas.
It's a banana tree.
No, these are bananas. It's a banana tree. Oh, look.
Mom, look! I have oranges, apples, and bananas.
Have some apples.
Let's have together.
Now they have a lot of fruits. And they have some fruits together. They all look happy.
Thank you, birds.
Alright, and end up of the story. Now, this family, they all look happy together. They have fruit enough, and finally they said, "Oh, thank you, birds." Alright, student. Now, end up of our story. And the next part, we are going to practice how to read with part of reading. So, student, this part, don't forget to bring your storybook beside you. This one is the storybook of the story. Thank you, birds. Please bring it beside you. You can open the book and then read along together. Alright, now, are you ready to read?
Yes.
Well done. Let's move to part of reading.
Reading.
Alright, student, now let's practice how to read our story. Don't forget to listen carefully and then try to repeat it. Now, let's begin with the title of our story.
Thank you, birds.
Repeat after me. Thank you, birds. Your turn.
Thank you, birds.
Well done. Let's begin with the first page of this story. Let's see. This one is part of this little boy. Listen carefully.
I'm hungry, Dad.
Repeat after me. I'm hungry, Dad. Your turn.
I'm hungry, Dad.
What do we have?
What do we have? Your turn.
What do we have?
Well done. Now let's move to part of this man. Alright, and then this man, he said, listen carefully again.
We have one orange.
Repeat it. We have one orange. Your turn.
We have one orange.
And the next sentence is,
But that's for Mom.
but that's for mom. Your turn.
But that's for Mom.
Well done. Alright, let's move to the next page of this story. Oh, let's see. One day, the birds had stolen their only one orange. And then, this little boy, he said, listen carefully.
Dad, look!
Dad, look. Your turn.
Dad, look.
After that, his dad said,
Stop! Stop! Go away!
stop, stop, go away. Your turn.
Stop, stop. Go away.
Well done. Alright, move to the next page of this story. Look, they look so sad. And then this little boy, he is crying. And he say,
That orange was for Mom!
that orange was for mom. Your turn.
That orange was for Mom.
Oh, that orange, that what for his mom is what stolen already. And suddenly, these birds, student, look at these birds. They say they heard about that and then they said, listen carefully again.
Oh, poor boy!
Repeat after me. Oh, poor boy. Your turn.
Oh, poor boy.
And then,
Let's help him!
let's help him. Your turn.
Let's help him.
And then move to this bird. It say,
How?
how? Your turn.
How?
Move to this little bird. This part is say,
I have an idea.
I have an idea. Your turn.
I have an idea.
Well done. Alright, student. Now let's move to the next page of this story. Oh, look. These birds, they are going to help this family, but they don't know. And then their little boy, he said,
Stop!
repeat after me. Stop. Your turn.
Stop.
Good job. Now move to his dad. He says,
Stop! Stop! Go away!
stop, stop, go away. Your turn.
Stop. Stop. Go away.
That's it. And then let's move to the next page of this story. Oh, let's take a look. Now the next day in the morning, they are waking up. And then this little boy, he said,
What are they, Dad?
repeat after me. What are they, Dad? Your turn.
What are they, Dad?
Good job. What are they? Can you remember, student? What are they?
Oranges.
Good job. They are oranges. Look. And this part, his dad says,
They are oranges.
repeat after me. They are oranges. Your turn.
They are oranges.
It's an orange tree.
It's an orange tree. Your turn.
It's an orange tree.
Excellent. Alright, and then this little boy, he asked his dad again, what about this one? Listen carefully.
What are they, Dad?
What are they, Dad? Your turn.
What are they, Dad?
Good job. What are they, student? Can you remember?
Apples.
Apples. Well done. Let's see. Look. And then move to part of his dad. He says,
Wow! They are apples.
repeat after me. Wow, they are apples. Your turn.
Wow, they are apples.
And now move to this little boy. He said,
It's a big apple tree.
it's a big apple tree. Your turn.
It's a big apple tree.
Excellent. And move to the next one, student. Look at the yellow one. Can you remember? What is it?
Bananas.
Bananas. Good job. And this part, this boy, he says,
What are they, Dad?
what are they, Dad? Your turn.
What are they, Dad?
Alright, this part, he asks his dad again. What are they, Dad? And then look. His dad said,
These are bananas.
repeat after me. These are bananas. Your turn.
These are bananas.
And move to this little boy again. This part, he says,
It's a banana tree.
it's a banana tree. Your turn.
It's a banana tree.
Excellent. Move to the next page of this story. Oh, now let's take a look, student. Now they have a lot of fruits over there. And this part, the little boy, he said,
Mom, look.
repeat it. Mom, look. Your turn.
Mom, look.
Move to the next sentence.
I have oranges, apples, and bananas.
Repeat after me. I have oranges. Your turn.
I have oranges,
Apples. Your turn.
apples,
And bananas. Your turn.
and bananas.
Well done. Alright, now move to his dad, and this part he says,
Have some apples.
have some apples. Your turn.
Have some apples.
And now move to part of his mom, and she says,
Let's have together.
let's have together. Your turn.
Let's have together.
Excellent. Alright. Now we move to the last part of the story. And finally, this family, they all look happy. And they said, listen carefully.
Thank you, birds.
Thank you, birds. Your turn.
Thank
Well done. Alright, now it's end up of the storybook. So student, don't forget to practice how to read our story. Alright, now let's move to the next part. And this part we are going to have fun together with part of Fun Box. Do you love to play the game?
Yes.
Now let's move to Fun Box.
Fun box.
Alright student, and this game we call shooting game. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Move to shooting game.
Shooting game.
Click the correct picture to match the word.
Grapes.
Alright student, this game we call shooting game, and we are going to click the correct pictures over there. Now what do we have? Repeat after me. Now we have orange. You turn.
Orange.
The next one, melon. You turn.
Melon.
And the next one, strawberry. You turn.
Strawberry.
And the red one, this one is tomato. You turn.
Tomato.
Move to the next one. This one is grapes. You turn.
Grapes.
Good job. And move to this picture. This one is watermelon. You turn.
Watermelon.
Well done. And move to the next one. This one is apple. You turn.
Apple.
And move to this one. This one is melon. You turn. Sorry, this one is lemon. You turn.
Lemon.
Well done. Alright, and move to this kind of fruit. This one is peach. You turn.
Peach.
And the last fruit over there. This one is banana. You turn.
Banana.
Excellent. And now let's listen to the words. This one is. Listen carefully,
Grapes.
student. Grapes. Student, now back to you. You have to find out the correct picture that's matched to this word. Grapes. Grapes. Which one is grapes? Student, look at this picture. Is this grapes? The orange one.
Teacher.
Oh no, it's not grapes. And what about the yellow one? Is this grapes?
No, teacher.
Oh no way, it's not grapes. And what about this purple one? Is this grapes?
Yes.
Are you sure?
I think so.
Alright, now let's shooting to this picture. If you say this grape, alright student, let's see.
Grapes.
Grapes. Good job. This one is the correct one.
Strawberry.
And move to the next one. This one is strawberry. Strawberry. Student, back to you. Let's find out the correct picture that match to this word strawberry. Which one is strawberry? So student, what is the color of the strawberry?
Red.
Red. Oh, look at the red one. Is it strawberry?
No, teacher.
Oh no, it's not strawberry. And what about the next one? This picture. Is it strawberry?
Oh no.
Oh no, it's not strawberry. And what about this red one? Is it strawberry?
Yes, teacher.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Alright, now let's shoot into this picture. Strawberry.
Strawberry.
This one is the correct one.
Orange.
Alright, now we move to the next word. And this word is orange. Orange. Student, back to you. Let's find out which one is the picture of orange. What is the color of the orange?
Orange.
It's orange, right? Let's look at this picture. Is this orange?
No, teacher.
Oh no, it's not. And what about this one, student? Is this orange?
Yes.
Alright, now
I think this one.
Oh, you think this one?
Yes.
Alright, now let's find out together.
Orange.
Orange. Good job. This one is the correct one.
Watermelon.
Alright, now we move to the next word. And this word is watermelon. Watermelon. Student, back to you. Let's find out the correct pictures of watermelon. Which one is watermelon? Look at this one. This one. Is this watermelon?
No.
Oh no, it's not. And what about this one? Is this watermelon?
No, teacher.
Oh no, again. And what about the green one? Is this watermelon?
Yes, teacher.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Alright, now let's check it out together by shooting to this picture.
Watermelon.
That's it. This one is the correct one.
Melon.
And move to the next word. This word is melon. We are going to find out the correct picture that match to this word melon. Back to you again. Let's help me to find out the correct picture. Which one is melon? Look at this one. Is this melon?
No, teacher.
Oh no, it's not. And what about the yellow one? Is this melon?
No, it's banana.
It's banana. Where is the melon? This one. Is this melon?
Yes.
Alright, now let's find out together by shooting to this picture. If you say it's melon, let's check it out.
Melon.
Melon. Good job. Alright, excellent student. Alright, end up of part of fun box. And then the next part, we are going to practice our exercise from the workbook. Alright, student, now please bring your workbook beside you. This one is your workbook. And then please open your workbook on page 12 and 13. You will see like this. This one is part of our activities. Alright, please bring your workbook or your worksheets beside you. We are going to do our exercise together.
Workbook.
Alright, student, and this part of workbook. Don't forget to find out your pencil. Maybe you can use some colors or crayons. And then let's do it together. Alright, student, let's focus with page 12. Look at this page 12. Now teacher have two pictures over there. And this part of activities we call how does it taste? How does it taste? We are going to color the pictures. And then we are going to read the sentences over there. Alright, student. Now let's find out your color. We are going to color the picture. Let's begin with the first pictures over there. Guess what, student? What kind of this picture? Is this orange?
No, teacher.
Oh no, what about apple? Is this apple?
No, it's not.
Oh, what do you think? What is it?
Lemon.
Lemon. Oh, it's lemon. And now let's color the pictures of lemon. Alright, teacher will begin with the leaves. This one. Teacher will color the leaves in green. Alright, student, let's do it together. You have to color it beautifully according to your test. Alright, now teacher have finished already with this leaf. And then move to the lemon. What color is this of this lemon? It would be
Yellow.
yellow. Alright, now let's color the yellow to this lemon. Alright, student, don't forget to color it beautifully. So, student, have you finished?
No.
Oh, keep going. Alright, now teacher have done already with this lemon. And student, have you finished?
Yes.
Good job. And student, did you know how does it taste of this lemon? It would be sour or sweet?
Sour.
Sour. Good job. Now let's read our sentence. Repeat after me. It's sour. You turn.
It's sour.
One more time, please. It is sour. You turn.
It is sour.
Good job. Alright, now we're done already with this lemon. And the lemon is sour. Now let's move to the next picture. This picture, student, guess what? What is this?
Candy.
Oh, is this candy? Teacher don't think so. Guess what, student? Try again. What is it? I will give some tips. This one is bitter. This one is bitter. Guess what? What is it? It's bitter.
Medicine.
Medicine. Good job. This one is medicine. Alright, student. Now let's color this medicine. Let's find out your color. Teacher will use the purple one to color this one. Alright, student, don't forget to color it beautifully. Have you finished with this medicine?
No, teacher.
No. Keep going, student, keep going. And this part, teacher will use green color. Alright, now I have finished. What about you? Have you finished with these pictures of medicine?
Yes.
Well done. And student, did you know how does it taste of this medicine? It would be sweet or bitter.
Bitter.
Yes, medicine is bitter. Now let's read our sentence. Repeat after me. It is bitter. Your turn.
It is bitter.
Good job. One more time, please. It is bitter. Your turn.
It is bitter.
Excellent. Alright, now we have done already with this part of page 12. Now let's move to page 13. This one is page 13, student. And this part, we are going to decorate the calendars of, guess what, student? What kind of this month that has number 7?
Is this July?
Yes, excellent. It's July. Alright, student. Now, let's decorate our calendars of July. Alright, let's color the number of 7. This part teacher will use red color. Alright, you have to color it beautifully again. So, student, have you finished?
No, teacher.
Oh, keep going, keep going. You can drawing another pictures on the blank. Teacher will use like this. Something. Around that. Alright, now teacher done already with the calendars of July. Have you finished?
Yes.
Alright, and then we are going to read our sentence, and this sentence is repeat after me. It's July, you turn.
It's July.
Well done. One more time, please. It's July, you turn.
It's July.
Excellent. Alright, now we have done already with part of our activities. Have you done already?
Yes.
Good job. Alright. Now, student, the next part,
Student book.
we are going to practice more with our song. And do you know how to sing and dance with our song?
Yes.
Alright. And this song we call Yummy Yum Yum. We are going to practice how to sing and dance with our song again. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Good job.
Yummy, yum, yum.
Don't forget to sing it louder.
Let's have a fruit party. Apples,
Apples.
bananas,
Bananas.
juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum yum.
Juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum yum.
Let's have a fruit party. Oranges,
Oranges.
grapes,
Grapes.
juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum yum.
Juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum yum.
Alright, student. Now, do you know how to sing with part of this song?
Yes.
Let's practice how to sing together. Alright, let's begin with the first part of this song.
Let's have a fruit party.
Repeat after me. Let's have a fruit party. Your turn.
Let's have a fruit party.
Good job. The next one.
Apples,
Apples.
bananas,
Bananas.
Apples, apples, bananas, bananas. Your turn.
Apples, apples, bananas, bananas.
Good job. Move to the next part.
juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum yum.
Juicy, fresh, yummy. Yum, yum. Your turn.
Juicy, fresh, yummy. Yum, yum.
One more time, please.
Juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum yum.
Juicy, fresh, yummy. Yum, yum. Your turn.
Juicy, fresh, yummy. Yum, yum.
Well done. One more time with this part of our song.
Let's have a fruit party.
Let's have a fruit party. Your turn.
Let's have a fruit party.
Good job.
Oranges,
Oranges.
grapes,
Grapes.
Oranges, oranges. Grapes, grapes. Your turn.
Oranges, oranges. Grapes, grapes.
Well done. And then the next one.
juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum yum.
Juicy, fresh, yummy. Yum, yum. Your turn.
Juicy, fresh, yummy. Yum, yum.
And one more time, please.
Juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum yum.
Juicy, fresh, yummy. Yum, yum. Your turn.
Juicy, fresh, yummy. Yum, yum.
Alright, good on you, student. Now we learn how to sing with this song already. And you know, can you remember how to dance with this song? Yummy, yum, yum.
Warm up.
Now let's practice how to sing and dance with this song. Yummy, yum, yum. Student, let's stand up, stand up. We are going to practice how to sing and dance with this song. Yummy, yum, yum.
Let's have a fruit party. Apples,
Apples.
bananas,
Bananas.
juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum yum.
Juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum yum.
Let's have a fruit party. Oranges,
Oranges.
grapes,
Grapes.
juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum yum.
Juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum yum.
Alright, let's practice one more time with this song, student.
Let's have a fruit party. Apples,
Apples.
bananas,
Bananas.
juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum yum.
Juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum
juicy, fresh, yummy, yum yum.
Good on you, student. Don't forget to practice how to sing and dance with our song. Yummy, yum, yum. So today is thumbs up, and for today we have to say goodbye. Alright, student. Now let's sing and dance with our last song that we call goodbye song.